Back in 1973, Stanford University ran an experiment where they sent 8 mentally healthy patients to a mental hospital. All 8 patients were told to tell their doctors that they were hearing voices and seeing hallucinations. But once they got accepted into the mental hospital, they were told to act completely normal. The people in charge of this experiment did not tell the hospital or staff that they were running the experiment. After 7 days of all 8 patients being in the mental hospital, all of them were diagnosed with serious mental disorders. In fact, all 8 patients were diagnosed with either schizophrenia or bipolar disorder, even though the entire time they acted completely normal. Stanford University published their findings challenging the validity of diagnosing psychiatric disorders. When the hospital heard about this, they asked Stanford to perform the experiment one more time. They wanted to prove that they could accurately diagnose patients and tell if a patient was faking it or not. The experimenters back at Stanford told the hospital they would in fact send 8 more patients. For the next 5 weeks, the hospital really focused in on patients, trying to find the 8 patients that were quote-unquote faking it. After 5 weeks of looking for the 8 patients, the hospital called Stanford and claimed they found the 8 patients, only for Stanford to tell the hospital that they hadn't sent